What's up, YouTube? So, it's Monday. We're gonna start our week by getting this big black bourbon out of the garage. Now, a smarter guy would have left this on a trickle charger while I was not using it. That wasn't the case. So, battery's shot. It was older anyways. Gonna live with it. We're gonna replace that, get this moved out, and then we're gonna do an oil change on the green machine. And hopefully this week we get some time to clean the garage, so maybe we could put both in here. But let's not be too overachieving, and let's have some realistic goals, because busy week at work. We'll see where we get with it. For now, battery change, oil change, we'll get her done. Happy Monday. Alright, moment of truth. She sat a while. Let's see if it starts up. Yeah! That's a sellable vehicle right there. Now get her moved. We'll change her oil. Alright, so a couple takeaways on our quick oil change here. I make a huge goddamn mess when I change the oil, so I effectively got oil everywhere, all over everything. Clean it up. Don't be lazy. So now we're going to go ahead and add 5.5 quarts of synthetic motor oil, because if you're not running synthetic, you should be. It's better for your engine. I don't care who you are or what your opinion is. Full synthetic. Now that we've got our oil changed, got time to go pick up the little potato from daycare, call it a night, see what we can get done tomorrow. Alright, now we're here on Wednesday. Didn't get much done yesterday because our Amazon package showed up a little too late for me to really have time to do anything before I knocked out. I worked early. Blah, 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 excuses. But today, we're getting at it. It's rainy out there, but this one should be pretty quick. We're just going to slap in the actuator, God, what is it called? Air door actuator. Anyways, so that's what we're going to throw in. I'm hoping that fixes the AC problem where my cab just blows hot air on me and nice cool air on everybody else. I think we'll get this done in about 20 minutes, go back inside, hang out with the family, call it a good Wednesday. Alright, now according to the research online, the driver's side actuator, super easy to get to. All we gotta do, pop the shroud off where the blower motor is. There's the blower motor, should be right in here. Couple of bolts, unplug it, slap the new one in, and then there is some finagling we got to do to reset the system. I'll explain that quick too, and hopefully it works. We'll see. Alright, we're going to try the naive approach first and just turn it over without doing the reset. See if maybe it works automatically. The answer to the automatic part is no. Okay, so as per this commenter on YouTube, it says turn key on, not starting. Press the auto AC button. Turn the key off. Now we gotta go remove the HVAC ECAS 10 amp fuse from under the hood. Okay, we gave it a second without the fuse. So now we're gonna start the vehicle. Don't think that we gave it long enough because this should have reset to 74, but I'm still gonna give her a second to see if it just works, because we've got cold air blowing right now. Now if it stays cold, it's money. So far so good. It's still cold, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let this run while I put things away, see if it sticks. We're almost put back together. She's still blowing cold air. I'd say it's a good Wednesday. Another thing done on the green machine. TGIF, and you know what that means? The green machine made it all week without breaking down on me to and from work. We've officially ran an entire tank of gas through it, and I'm pretty happy with how she runs. Now today, I'm going to finally get around, like I've been saying, to the plugs and the wires, and I think that will really get her right there. So we're going to do that quick, see how she goes after that, and a little family outing. But first, we got all these cars. Let's move them out of the garage. Got helpers today. Say hi, Emmett. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Now, if you're doing these plugs and wires, we've found in our experiences that the number one tool is an angled needle nose, so you can get around the little metal sheath on the wire, grab it, pull it off. Now, I don't have angled ones like the old man does, but these will do just fine. That's a gross spark plug. Only 7 more to go. Here I was thinking that this side was the easy side, and I don't know what gave me that impression, because there's shit all in the way. But we got the plugs in there, just gotta throw the wires on. This side, everything's nice and wide open. So should be pretty good on our hour time estimate. Right, honey?
You said 40 minutes.
I said an hour like 10 minutes ago. Alright, ghetto garagians. It's the moment of truth. We're gonna fire her up, see how she runs with the plugs and wires. I think it's gonna be pretty good. But before we do that, just wanna show you a creature comfort upgrade. LED lighting. It's like a whole new vehicle now. Almost. And then I also did the HomeLink garage door opener to our garage door. I have a mediocre how-to video on that should you be interested. It's nothing fancy, not that exciting. But it makes this a little bit better of a daily driver. Every little thing counts. So, without further ado, let's hope she starts. So far, so good. Let's see how she goes for a drive. Got back from our test drive, did a video, hit record, realized I didn't fully hit record, so here's take number 2. Anyways, truck runs phenomenal, even better than it did before. I'm so happy with this purchase and everything. It's turned out wonderfully. I'm gonna be daily driving it from here on out, I think. I still got to do the brakes this weekend. I'll throw that into the next video probably. But this coming week, you can follow us along. We're gonna get the black Suburban ready to sell. Probably the 4Runner too. I want to get rid of both those things and just keep rolling with projects. If you like, subscribe. You can join us along the way. Should be a good time. You ever have helpful comments or anything you might want to know how exactly we do that I don't explain fully, maybe a how-to video is requested, I don't know. Throw something in the comments. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.